Ecotourism in Iceland. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the wonders of Iceland, one of the world's top destinations for ecotourism. Join us as we discover the breathtaking landscapes, unique wildlife, and sustainable tourism practices that make Iceland a paradise for nature lovers. Our first stop is Ingvalir National Park. Located at a site of significant historical and geological importance, you can see the rift between the Eurasian and North American tectonic plates. This park is a fantastic place for hiking and snorkeling in the clear waters of the rift. Next, we visit Jökulsárlón, one of the most beautiful glacial lagoons in the world. Take a boat tour among the floating icebergs and enjoy sightings of seals and other marine life. Gullfoss Waterfall is one of Iceland's most famous attractions. With water cascading down from great heights, it offers a spectacular view that you can enjoy from various observation platforms. Our next destination is the Glaciers hot springs in the Haukadalur Valley. Known for its geothermal activity, you can watch the geysers erupt regularly, creating a fascinating natural spectacle. Iceland is dedicated to protecting its natural resources and supporting local communities through ecotourism. With numerous nature reserves and national parks, you can enjoy the beauty of nature while preserving the environment. Ecotourism in Iceland also supports the local economy and encourages participation in cultural activities. If you're planning a trip to Iceland, here are some tips for sustainable travel. Use public transportation to reduce your carbon footprint. Choose eco-friendly accommodations that follow sustainability practices. Respect nature by adhering to local laws and avoiding disturbing wildlife. Reduce plastic use by carrying reusable water bottles and avoiding single-use plastics. Iceland is a leading destination for ecotourism, offering the chance to experience its natural beauty in sustainable ways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more travel content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.